Your success is measured by your bottom line. Are you diluting your profits with flood coolant? With performance superior to flood coolant in most applications, Accu-Lube is a minimum quantity lubrication or MQL system that consists of an applicator and lubricants for near-dry machining. Accu-Lube's cutting fluids are natural vegetable oil with high-tech additives to provide superior lubrication. On average, only 2 ounces of fluid per 8-hour shift is all you need. 1 gallon can last 3 months, while recycling costs and cleanup are virtually eliminated. Accu-Lube's precision applicator provides just the right amount of lubrication directly to the cutting edge, helping remove more material in less time and extending the tool life. Whatever you are machining, Accu-Lube has the right lubrication for you. Investing in the right equipment is vital. Accu-Lube is better for your bottom line, your workers, and the environment. Accu-Lube, faster cuts, longer tool life.